Very good morning, children. Today I'll be concluding this chapter logic. So you can solve the worksheet sent by me, and if any doubts, feel free to ask. We had learned about switching circuits. We had also learned how to write the symbolic form of this circuit. Now symbolic form will be given. You have to draw the circuit. So here you have to be a little bit very careful. Let's see the first one. Now if you see, this is one bracket and this is one bracket with an OR. Are you getting it? Yes. First, and both these brackets are connected by OR. It means the first bracket is parallel to the second bracket. Okay. So I need to draw parallel for this combination for this. You see, this is my first bracket. Then I have OR my second bracket. So let us talk about the first bracket. What is the first bracket saying? First bracket says that again there is an OR combination. Can you see? P or negation P and Q. So negation P and Q must be in series. Negation P means S1 dash, Q means S2. So S1 dash and Q are in S2 are in series, and S1 is parallel with them. So see, this is parallel combination of the first bracket. Again here there is parallel combination, negation Q and R. Negation Q means S2 dash, R means S3. So S2 dash and S3 parallel to S1 dash. I hope you are getting it. Yes. Let's take one more. Okay, here also we'll write what is S1, S1 dash, S2 dash. Like in the previous examples, we gave a description. Okay. Now next one. Again here they are asking you to draw. So see, first this bracket I'll draw. This bracket is an OR combination with this bracket. It means this bracket and this bracket both should be parallel combination because they are connected by the logical combination OR. Then if I talk about the first bracket, all the three switches are in series. Here again this P and this bracket are in parallel. So parallel mein series, then second part parallel. Let's see. Now see, P and Q and R, this bracket is parallel with this parallel bracket. Can you see? What is this parallel? Negation P, or it should be Q actually. This should be only S2. Let me correct. This should not be there. This is only S2. Please make the correction. Okay. This is the way we'll draw the switch circuit. This comes for 1 mark each diagram. Okay. Now, very important question for 4 marks which can be asked in exam. Given an alternative arrangement for the following circuit so that new circuit has 2 switches. Means I have got 6 switches over here. I need to reduce it to make it in 2 switches. Then the minimum answer which I get, that answer table I have to draw. Let's see. First the symbolic form. So the symbolic form, it is all 3 connections are parallel. So P and negation Q, or negation P and Q, or negation P and negation Q. This is favorite sum of the examiner. So see, I have done the connection. Now there are 3 brackets. So as discussed, we'll try to take something common. Can we see anything common? Yes, I can see negation P and negation P common, and this and also common. You can see here. See, negation P and common. Can you see? So I'll take that part common. So what will be left? Q or negation Q. So first I applied associative law. Can you see? I applied bracket to this because everything is OR combination. Then I will take negation P and common. So if I take negation P and common, what is left? Q or negation Q. Now what is Q or negation Q? It is true because in OR combination both are opposite of each other. So the answer always has to be true. I got negation P and true. Now negation P and true. Something and true. Remember, something and true will give you something. Which law? Identity law. So here something is nothing but negation P. So you got P and negation Q or negation P. Now there is single bracket with or and. I'll apply which law? Distributive law. First I can apply commutative law, then distributive law. See, by distributive law I'll get P or negation P and negation Q or negation P. Again it is or combination of two opposite statements. It is by default true. Complement law, true and negation Q or negation P. True and something will give me something by identity law. Okay, so see, I got the circuit in two switches. So I'll draw the diagram for this. Negation P or negation Q. I'll draw IO table for this corresponding circuit. Okay, IO table will be drawn for this circuit. Okay. Okay, this is here I conclude this chapter. Please solve the worksheet sent to you. That worksheet contains all the exercise. I'll be sending the miscellaneous exercise with the answer key. Please go through it. Any doubts, feel free to ask. I hope you understood this chapter nicely. Thank you.